Hi everyone, my name is Lia and I'm the Clinical Director at Metanoia. I am particularly interested I'm a researcher as well as working for Metanoia, and I'm particularly interested in thematic analysis. I used it for my doctoral thesis, and I think it's a really interesting, flexible and useful method of analysis, so I'm quite enthusiastic about it. So my session, it's a brief session, and the intention of the session is to give all of the attendees a really good sense of what thematic analysis is. I'm going to particularly focus on reflexive thematic analysis. That's Brown and Clark's version of qualitative thematic analysis. During the session, I'll be introducing thematic analysis broadly. I will also be talking through each of the phases of thematic analysis in detail with worked examples. And the intention is that by the end of the session, anybody who's attending should have quite a good sense of how they might analyze their data using thematic analysis. I'll also be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of using reflexive thematic analysis as a method, so that you can get a good sense of whether it's appropriate for your research or not. And I'm going to talk through the key choices that you might need to make right from the beginning when choosing your research question, and then all the way through the choices that you'll need to make if you choose to use thematic analysis as your method of analysis. And then finally, I will talk through just some sort of key points as to what would make a really good reflexive thematic analysis, and conversely, what might make a poor thematic analysis, so that you know what to include and what pitfalls to avoid as you're analyzing your data. Looking forward to seeing you on Friday, the 19th of February.